specifically for account level negative keywords. So let's read here. Account level negative keywords prevent your ads from showing to people who search for or browse your content related to those words. Define up to 1,000 negative keywords to apply to all eligible campaigns. So all eligible campaigns will be search, shopping, and performance max. So now what you can do here is you can click here and you can start adding negative keywords. Dentist, let's say dentist treatment, and let's say dentist treatment and dentist are the two words, right? So what I typically like doing is I like putting them at either at phrase match or exact match. If it's just depends on the context of the negative keyword. So that's how you can do it, right? And when I say context, I mean that you can either put you can either do phrase or exact. Exact is literally the exact keyword. So let's say, for example, we want this as an exact, right? That's the exact keyword, right? And that will not show up. So let's move on. So there's two ways, right? There's either this way, and this is the primary way in which you can add negative keywords to a performance max campaign in Google Ads. But there's another way that people don't really talk about, but I think should be noted as well, right? So if you want to add a negative keyword specifically at the campaign level, right now, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you cannot add negative keywords at the campaign level to PMAX campaign. So how do we get around that? We get around that by going to help, all right? We go to the help, and then we go to contact us, right? And then we're gonna close that there, and then we're gonna type in our issue. They're gonna ask us here, tell us what you can help with. We're gonna say negative keywords in performance max, right? So we've typed that there. We've now searched that. We've now clicked next step. And then now we move to the next step, and it says here, choose the best description of your issue. And we're going to ignore all of these issues, and we're going to click other. Then we're going to click next step. And we're going to wait here as it loads. And then we're going to be presented with contact us options. Now I'm going to quickly go and pick my account. So I'll be back in 2 seconds. Okay, cool. So I've literally just selected my account and I'm back on the screen now. And now I've now chosen my Google customer ID for this specific account. And now I have two options on how to contact them. And now, depending on your region, you have different options on how to contact them. Google sometimes allows for phone contact, chat contact, or community. But ideally, what you want to do is you want to go to chat contact or email contact, and you're going to tell them exactly what you want to do. You're going to give them the list of the keywords, that's negative keywords that you want to be isolated in your Performance Max campaign at a campaign level. You specify at a campaign level, and then you say, hey, can you please, so you basically just say it like this, right? You say, hey, can you please add these keywords to my Performance Max campaign at, can you add these negative keywords at the campaign level for my Performance Max campaign? And then they'll be able to help you out, right? So it's a very simple fix, guys, but I hope this can help. Cheers.